So first I'm going in with the Shanghai palette with the shade Sweet Tea on my lid as a transition color. And just blending it into my crease. I like to keep my eyes open. And with that same shade, I'm just blending on my lower lash line. Now I'm going in with this beautiful burgundy color called China Rose. And I'm just patting that onto the center of my lids. Now I want to go for the wet look on my lids, so I'm going in with the shade Luminous. And then I'm just going to spray my brush with the Prime and Set. And then I'm just applying it on the center of my lid and dragging it all the way up. Now with the shade Power, I'm just putting it onto my outer corners and inner corners. And then going in with the shade Earth, and I'm just going to apply this as my eyeliner.